Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so we got our Arapuca birdcage trap, and amazingly enough, we just caught 2 quails in the same trap. 2 Gambel's quail. And I just set this up about an hour and a half ago. Caught 2 birds in the same trap. So we'll go ahead and dispatch them here. Use a pellet gun. This bird is tricky. We have 1 down, 1 to go. Okay, I think we got both of them. They say it's like shooting fish in a barrel. Shooting fish in a barrel ain't that easy. Yeah, they're both dead. That's what we've got. Not too bad. Do it once. There's our bait stick. We just glued wild bird seed to the stick. And I've been using that for a week or so now. It's been working great. I don't have to rebait. I just keep setting it up. They've picked it pretty much clean, but as long as there's a few on there, it's going to keep attracting them. That's just amazing. I caught 2 at once. That was awesome. That'll make a good dinner for me. Alright, there's the Arapuca birdcage trap. Oh, as far as our triggering device, we are using a Paiute deadfall still. Got that right there. There's our support stick. Got our bait stick. And that's all it took. So we'll get these guys bagged up. Appreciate the views. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care.